Good morning, everybody. I look a super hot mess, but that's okay because we're going to fix that today. Today is all about self-care. So the first thing we're going to focus on is our skincare. That's what I like to do right in the morning because my face gets super oily overnight. I'm going to go in with my salicylic acid wipes. We call them Sally wipes, and look at that dirt. It just gets so much off my face. That's why I love them. Next, we're going to go in with our Clearasil gel. I forget what this is called, but anyways, I rub it into my skin and it's gonna make it better. And then I go with our Aveeno knockoff by Equate, and it's good to moisturize your face, so make sure you do that every morning, every day. It's just super helpful, and it really just protects your skin, so make sure you do it every single day. Now we're gonna brush our teeth. We are also going to mouth, rinse, wash, whatever you do, and then don't forget to floss also, and that just completes our morning bathroom routine. I am a coffee lover, so we start our coffee in the morning right before we do anything else. Here I am walking because it was a full moon the night before, so I let my crystals sit out on the beautiful earth. So I'm just heading outside so I can go find them. Sometimes it's actually really funny because I place them on the ground and then I lose them sometimes, but thankfully this time it wasn't very hard to find. I just love doing this method. It really makes me feel more connected to our beautiful planet. So yeah, those are my crystals. And then I thought Bobby looked really funny, so he's just so cute. Now, time to make my coffee. I love this new creamer we got. It's like just amazing. It's so sweet, which is nice for me because I like sweet coffee. But yeah, I make my coffee and sometimes I'll have a bagel with it. But this morning I was feeling simple. This is my meditation setup because I'm about to meditate. If you don't meditate, do so. It's amazing. I love this great channel on YouTube. It is called Great Meditation. It is just, the person speaking is so amazing and she's so calm, and I feel like I literally just go to another space in my head when I listen to it with my AirPods, especially. For the meditation I chose this specific day, I actually had some feelings, man. It was amazing. Oh, I ended up crying, like hardcore. But it was such an amazing feeling to go through that, and to even have a meditation do that is awesome. And you just feel so amazing afterward, and like a burden has been lifted when you go through those feelings. But yeah, I totally recommend it. And I'm not even like that great at meditating. I try to do it as much as I can, but this one was really effective and awesome. I decided that it was time to cuddle with all my animals after Blair ran away. She didn't feel like cuddling. She never does. But Luna did, and look how adorable she is. Oh my gosh. And Lemon gets jealous, so she always has to have cuddles.
It is now time for me to dye my hair. Somewhere in here you can kind of see it's got green tint to it. That's actually like blue-green, so that's why I want to re-dye it black. And that's what we're gonna do now, so I'm gonna do that real quick and then I will be right back.
I wanted to be super productive on my self-care day because I had a lot on my list that I wanted to accomplish while the babies were out. So this is me getting ready for my pedicure. This is the stuff I use for my at-home pedicure, and we decided I'm gonna do red today because red is just a powerful color. This is me adding the salt to my little basin for me to soak my feet. And then to triple multitask, I decided to read my romance novel on my Kindle. So hair soaking, feet soaking, and Kindle reading. This is my scrub that I use to rub my feet. It's a coffee scrub. You can get it at Dollar Tree. It's amazing. And it's so good because it leaves my feet the softest I have ever freaking felt my feet in life. And it smells delicious. It smells like coffee, of course. So yeah, I just rub it in, I let it soak in the water some more, and when I'm done, I scrub that, well, I rinse it off my feet and I'll scrub it off my feet. And then once my feet are finished soaking, I'm going to pat towel them dry. Pat towel, however you say it, I don't even know anymore. So anyway, we're going to dry our feet, and then we're going to go in with this O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet. The reason I'm using this is because I bought it literally years ago, and I want to use it instead of just throwing it away, so that's what we're going to do. I don't really know if it makes a difference for my feet. I bought it because my feet are really like crackly old, but I don't even know if it feels that way. So we have to remove the old nail polish. There was like 3 layers, but thank God I finally did it. And now we're going to go in with this beautiful red by Sally Hansen Insta Dry. I bought a ton of these when they came out because I love it when it dries so quickly. I'm that type of person. I will mess up my nails if it doesn't dry immediately. I went in with the red. I cleaned up any messes, which you should totally do. It makes your nails look so much nicer and professional. Then I went in with this super dry coat. It's just a clear coat to help make them shiny, beautiful, and helps give another dry layer on top. So you're ready to boom it in like 3 minutes or less. That's what I gave it. And yeah, these were my toes. I thought they looked freaking good, man, for at home. Come on.
So I'm gonna give about maybe 3 minutes for this quick dry to dry. And then because my hair is more than likely done, I'm going to wash that out. And then I might have a few minutes for makeup or just to get dressed real quick because we are heading out to lunch at my favorite restaurant, which I'm so happy for because I don't know, it just makes me happy and I love eating there. Hair is washed and I just added a little glossy type lip stain and I already had lashes on, so I'm just gonna go like this. Now it's time to find an outfit. Just got back home from Leaf and Seed. I have about an hour and a half roughly before we leave for couples therapy. So I think I'm just gonna do some light makeup, maybe do my hair and actually possibly change. It's pretty hot outside and I just want something a bit more relaxing, maybe some pants or something. So
I'm gonna go. I kind of wish you'd covered this up in the wardrobe. They screamed and ran away the moment I greeted them. Carlton heads and placed them on the tray I provided. I'll reward you for your troubles. What were we to do? The clock key? Yes? Ooh. Find something to put in that. Some servants have gone missing and strange things have been happening around the manor. Just last night, I heard a horrid breathing sound.
for clothes, I'm thinking black sweater, it's cropped, and I just got this new black skirt and it looks really, really cute. So I'm gonna try it on and we'll see what it looks like. This is the outfit. Just a long skirt, my cropped sweater, and I think it looks really, really cute. It's just a lot more comfortable and I feel like I can move around a bit more freely, and I think it just, I don't know, makes me feel more relaxed and casual than what my other dress did. So this is it. Now I'm just going to pick a bag and fill that with my essentials and then we're all done. Here is the full outfit with my shoes. I really, really love this skirt. I picked it up, I thrifted it, and I was so excited. It's exactly what I was looking for. So when I found it, so beyond amazed and excited, I guess is what I would say. But here's the outfit with my cute little purse. We have about an hour before we need to leave. I'm going to take this time and really just dive into my book for a little bit and just enjoy some solo time on the couch. Hey guys, so it's been quite a few hours since I last spoke with you. We were going to be on our way to therapy. We went to therapy, and usually after we go out to dinner to discuss the session and kind of what we felt and went through. So that's kind of been our routine of what we've been doing. We went out to one of our old school favorite restaurants and looked for a vegan option there. So it was really yummy and it was nice to go back to like a nostalgic type of place. We also walked around a mall for a little bit and just checked out a few things. I got two things that I was really excited about. The first is the Dark Sky book by Cressley Cole. I realized I only had this in audiobook and never actually got the tangible book, so I found that today and I was super stoked and realized I needed it, so I picked that up. The other thing is a jewelry called Ginger Snaps. Today I got the bracelet, but that's because I want to put this little dangle piece on my necklace. I really liked the petite, like mini ones. I have a big one that I wear quite often, but yeah, I was so excited to find that. And there's like a tiny little skull. Can you guys see it? There's this tiny little skull snap, but I love this jewelry because it's so interchangeable, and that works with me because I feel like I change all the time. I love to switch up my jewelry except for the ones on my ears, but I love to switch up what I'm wearing quite often. So they were perfect, and I bought a few more
little snaps to put on it. And then after all that, we decided to come home and swim in our pool for a little bit. It was quite an extremely hot day, so it felt nice even if the pool was just a little bit cold. It was really nice to take a dip in there and just relax for a little while. Whew. So that was the rest of my day. I tend to forget quite often if I'm not focusing on it to not record, so I'm sorry I wasn't able to record a lot of what we did, but I'm gonna keep you up to date verbally. The last thing that I wanted to do for like a full self-care day was actually my nails. I just painted my toes red and now I want to switch up my nails to red, so I'm gonna do my nail care for the night and then that will complete my entire self-care day. To be honest, this was probably one of the biggest and nicest self-care days I've actually had in a while, and it was just great. So I'm glad I got to enjoy it. I'm glad I got to enjoy it with Gordon as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave a clip of what my nails look like after this because it will probably be midnight by the time I finish, but these are the before nails. I will definitely show you the after. Okay, so I know that they're not red, but look how freaking cute these press-on nails are. I could never do this by myself. I loved the color. It was so enticing. I just had to do it. The shape, the color, the jewels, everything about this. I just love these nails, so I had to do them, even though they aren't red. But I promise, I think I'm going to do red for the next set. But these are so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That would be super incredible, and yeah, I just love you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!